Understanding mutual funds. Mutual funds pool money from many investors, creating a collective investment. This creates a large fund that can be managed more effectively. Professional fund managers are responsible for investing this pooled money. They strategically buy stocks, bonds, or other assets to meet the fund's objectives. Mutual funds offer diversification, which spreads your risk across various investments. Mutual funds come in many flavors, each catering to different investment strategies. Some focus on specific sectors like technology or healthcare, providing targeted exposure. Others track broad market indexes like the S&P 500, offering a more general market exposure. Each mutual fund has a specific investment objective, guiding its strategy. Before investing, it's essential to read the fund's prospectus carefully. This document outlines the fund's strategy, risks, and fees, providing crucial information. Understanding the prospectus is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Choose funds that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance, ensuring a suitable investment. Why choose mutual funds? Mutual funds offer a simple way to invest. They are great for beginners. You don't need to pick individual stocks. The fund manager does the work for you. This saves you time and effort. Mutual funds offer instant diversification. They spread your money across different assets. This reduces your overall risk. If one investment performs poorly, others can cushion the impact. Mutual funds are highly liquid. You can buy and sell them easily. This provides flexibility to adjust your portfolio as needed. However, remember that investing is a long-term game. Your path to mutual fund investing. Embarking on this journey requires careful planning and understanding. Before investing, define your financial goals. What do you want to achieve with your investments? Are you saving for retirement? This is a common goal that requires long-term planning and commitment. Do you have a down payment in mind for a new home? Setting clear objectives helps in choosing the right investment strategy. Knowing your goals helps determine your investment timeline and risk appetite. It's crucial to align your investments with your financial aspirations. Next, research different mutual funds. Understanding the variety of options available can help you make informed decisions. Look at their historical performance, expense ratios, and management teams. These factors can significantly impact your returns. Compare funds within the same category. This helps in identifying the best performing funds that suit your needs. Choose funds that align with your goals and risk tolerance. Assess your risk tolerance to ensure you can handle market fluctuations. How much volatility can you handle? Understanding your comfort level with risk is essential. Younger investors often have a higher risk appetite. They can afford to take more risks due to their longer investment horizon. They have more time to recover from market downturns. This allows them to potentially achieve higher returns over time. Older investors may prefer lower risk options as they approach retirement. Preserving capital becomes more important as they near their financial goals. Taking the leap into investing can feel daunting, but let's break it down step by step. Understanding the basics can make the process much smoother and less intimidating. First, open a brokerage account. This is your gateway to the world of investing, where you can manage your investments and track your progress. This is where you will buy and sell mutual funds. Mutual funds are a great way to diversify your portfolio and reduce risk. Many brokerage firms offer online platforms which provide tools and resources to help you invest. These tools can include educational materials, market analysis, and investment calculators. Once you have an account, you can start investing. Begin by exploring different investment options and understanding their potential returns and risks. Choose the funds that you researched and decide how much you want to invest. It's important to align your investments with your financial goals and risk tolerance. You can invest a lump sum or set up automatic contributions. Automatic contributions can help you stay disciplined and build your investments over time. Monitor your investments regularly, review your portfolio performance, and make adjustments as needed. Staying informed about market trends can help you make better decisions. Remember, market fluctuations are normal, so don't panic sell if the market dips. Staying calm and patient is key to long-term success. Stay focused on your long-term goals. Consistent investing and a clear strategy can help you achieve financial security and growth over time. Ready to grow your wealth? Investing in mutual funds is a powerful way to build wealth over time. Start small and gradually increase your contributions. Consider seeking advice from a financial advisor if needed. Subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and insights. Empower yourself with knowledge, take control of your financial future, and start investing in your dreams today.